How to turn on or turn off adaptive battery on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on battery. So after click on battery, so scroll down and click on background usage limits. So after click on background usage limits, so click on this three dot icon. So after click on this three dot icon, click on adaptive battery. So after click on adaptive battery, you will see adaptive battery button is showing here. So if you want to turn off adaptive battery button, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see adaptive battery is turn off. So if you want to turn on adaptive battery, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see adaptive battery is turn on. So you will turn on or turn off adaptive battery from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can turn on or turn off adaptive battery on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.